Welcome to USA Smart Shop, where we bring you the best Amazon product reviews to level up your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best dumbbells for your fitness journey, perfect for home workouts, strength training, and muscle building. Stick around to find which one fits your goals best. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Adjustable Dumbbells, 10/25/35/55/70/90 lbs free weight set with connector, 4-in-1 dumbbells set used as barbell, kettlebells, push-up stand, fitness exercises for home gym suitable men/women. This adjustable dumbbell set brings multifunctional training to your home gym in a compact design. With weight options ranging from 10 to 90 pounds, it's built for progressive training whether you're a beginner or seasoned lifter. The standout feature is its 4-in-1 functionality. You can use it as standard dumbbells, combine them into a barbell, transform it into kettlebells, or even use the handles as push-up stands. This flexibility saves space and replaces the need for separate equipment. The twist-to-adjust mechanism is easy to use and secure, making transitions between exercises smoother. Each adjustment locks firmly in place, so you don't need to worry about safety during heavy reps. The connecting bar is padded for comfort, which is useful during barbell exercises like curls or presses. The dumbbell handles feature a textured, anti-slip grip that ensures stability even when your hands get sweaty. The outer shell of the weights is coated to minimize noise and floor damage. The kettlebell transformation offers a solid grip and center of gravity for movements like swings or goblet squats. Assembly is quick and doesn't require tools. The design is clearly made with space saving in mind, ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited gym space. You'll also notice how well balanced the weights are, with no wobble or uneven distribution. That balance matters during dynamic lifts. The push-up stand feature might seem simple, but it's a great touch for full-body workouts. It allows for deeper push-ups and reduces wrist strain, which is often overlooked in budget home gym equipment. Switching between functions is straightforward, just detach and reconfigure the pieces. Number 2. Yahitech Adjustable Dumbbell Set 28 lb/40 lb/52.5 lb/90 lb, Fast Adjust Weight Set Pair. This Yahitech adjustable dumbbell set is designed for efficiency and space-saving performance. Available in weight ranges from 28 to 90 pounds, it gives users the flexibility to tailor their workouts from light toning to heavy lifting. The key feature is the fast adjust mechanism that lets you change weight levels quickly and securely, which is perfect for circuit training or drop sets. The plates are made of solid cement covered in a durable plastic shell to reduce noise and protect flooring. The spin-lock collars keep the plates in place during use, offering a secure grip even through high-rep sessions. The textured, anti-slip handles ensure a steady hold and reduce the risk of slippage as your hands get sweaty. One highlight of this set is its dual usability. You can use the dumbbells separately or connect them with the included bar to form a barbell. That means you get the best of both worlds for both isolated arm exercises and compound movements like deadlifts or bench presses. The connector is padded for added comfort during heavy barbell sets. The compact design makes it easy to store in small spaces. It's ideal for home gyms where maximizing floor space is essential. Setup and breakdown are simple, so even beginners can get started without confusion. The quick assembly and versatility make it a reliable addition to any fitness plan. With this set, you can target all major muscle groups. Do shoulder presses, chest presses, bent over rows, squats, lunges, and more without switching between different types of equipment. Whether you're doing a full body workout or isolating specific areas, the weight options allow you to scale up or down with ease. Number 3. CAP Barbell Coated Hex Dumbbell Weight Multiple Options. The CAP Barbell Coated Hex Dumbbell is a classic staple for any fitness setup. Available in multiple weight increments, it suits users at all fitness levels, from beginners working on form to seasoned athletes increasing resistance. Its traditional hex shape prevents rolling, adding a level of safety for home use and convenient storage. The dumbbell head is made of solid cast iron and coated in a durable rubber layer that protects flooring and minimizes noise when placed down. This coating also resists chipping and cracking, which helps the dumbbell maintain a clean appearance over time. The handle is ergonomically designed with medium knurling for a secure grip. It strikes the right balance between comfort and control, allowing for longer sessions without hand fatigue. Whether you're doing curls, presses, rows, or weighted lunges, the grip remains consistent and supportive. This single-piece construction offers long-term durability with no loose parts or risk of plates shifting mid-set. Because it comes in fixed weights, you can transition quickly between exercises without having to pause for adjustments. That's ideal for circuit training or fast-paced workouts. The flat hexagonal ends are also practical for exercises like dumbbell push-ups or renegade rows, where stability is key. They stay put on the floor, which minimizes interruptions during reps. It's this kind of small but important feature that makes these dumbbells a favorite for both home and commercial gyms. Number 4. Amazon Basics Rubber Hex Dumbbell Hand Weight. The Amazon Basics Rubber Hex Dumbbell is a functional, no-frills option that delivers solid performance for a wide range of workouts. Made with a solid cast iron core, it's wrapped in a durable rubber coating that reduces noise, protects floors, and adds longevity. It comes in various weight sizes to suit all levels of training. The standout feature is its simplicity and consistency. The rubber-encased hex design prevents rolling, which is ideal for dynamic floor exercises and quick transitions during supersets. This makes it safer to use in both compact home gyms and larger setups. The chrome handle is contoured and includes medium knurling for a comfortable but steady grip. This handle design helps reduce hand fatigue and supports a more natural grip position, especially during higher rep sessions or compound lifts like thrusters and overhead presses. Thanks to its fixed weight design, you can instantly pick up and start working out without worrying about changing plates or settings. That makes it ideal for time-efficient training or high-intensity interval workouts. The rubber finish also reduces wear and tear, ensuring these dumbbells maintain their shape and surface for years. These are versatile for all types of strength training. Whether you're doing bicep curls, shoulder raises, weighted squats, or floor presses, they perform smoothly and stay stable. The balanced weight distribution helps maintain proper form throughout each movement. Number 5. Amazon Basics Neoprene Dumbbell Hand Weights for Exercise and Muscle Toning. The Amazon Basics Neoprene dumbbells are designed with comfort, simplicity, and daily use in mind. Available in multiple weight increments, they are ideal for light resistance training, toning, and aerobic workouts. The neoprene coating provides a soft, non-slip grip that makes them comfortable to hold even during sweaty sessions. Each dumbbell is made from solid cast iron, giving them a dense, balanced feel. The outer neoprene layer is smooth but grippy, which reduces the risk of slipping or causing hand irritation. This makes them perfect for longer workouts or when used with fast-paced cardio routines. The compact size and bright color coding make it easy to identify weight levels at a glance. Whether you're following along with a video workout or rotating through different weights, the visual distinction helps streamline your session. They're especially great for beginner to intermediate users or anyone focusing on endurance and toning. These dumbbells have a flat edge design that prevents rolling, making them safe for use on floors during circuits or transitions. They stay put when you set them down and won't disrupt your flow during multi-move sets. The lighter weight ranges are particularly good for exercises like shoulder flies, arm raises, tricep extensions, and Pilates-based movements. They are quiet and gentle on floors thanks to the neoprene exterior. You won't hear loud clanging or risk damaging hardwood or tile surfaces. The dumbbells are also water-resistant and easy to wipe clean after each use, which helps maintain hygiene between sessions. Thanks for watching USA Smart Shop. All dumbbells featured are linked below in the description. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart shopping tips, and turn on the bell so you never miss our next review. Stay strong and see you in the next one.